Hello friends, today's word is Huo Cha Chan. Huo Cha Chan. Huo Cha Chan. Its pronunciation or pinyin are Huo Cha. Next is Cha. Huo Cha Chan. Huo Cha Chan means railway station. It consists of three characters Huo, Cha, Chan. First we come to the character Huo. Its stroke order is Tien, Pa, Pa, Na. Next is Ch. Its stroke order is Hang, Ph, Hang, Chu. Third one is Chan. Its stroke order is Tien, Hang, Tien, Pa, Thi, Shu, Hang, Shu, Hang, Ch, Hang. Huo Cha Chan means railway station. When we come to the three characters separately, Huo means fire in Chinese. Cha means vehicle, van. Huo Cha, fire van, fire vehicle. Chan means station. Huo Cha Chan, railway station. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.